This is Dr. Avishi Agrawal. I have secured rank 110 in May 2025 INICET, and I have done my MBBS from Madras Medical College, Chennai, and I come from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And I would like to share my preparation journey with you all. तो मैंने इंटर्नशिप के बाद ही अपनी प्रिपरेशन चालू की। शुरू में मैं सेरेबेलम की मिशन क्लासेस अटेंड कर रही थी एंड 3 से 4 महीने में मैंने अपने सारे नोट्स कंप्लीट किए एंड उसके बाद फिर मैं सेरेबेलम ऐप में ही एग्जामिनेशन एंड डिस्कशन को फॉलो करती थी एंड उससे ही मैं घर पे रिवाइज़ कर रही थी एंड पढ़ रही थी। पर घर पे बहुत सैचुरेट हो गया था एंड आसपास सेम पढ़ाई करने वाले मतलब लोग नहीं थे, कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं था। तो मैंने विद्या जीवन का जो भी टेस्ट एंड डिस्कशन का प्रोग्राम चालू होने वाला था फ्रॉम फेब एंड आई एनरोल्ड इन दैट एंड फिर मैं यहाँ विद्या जीवन आई एंड दिस जर्नी हैज़ बीन ट्रूली अमेजिंग फॉर मी। यहाँ पे आई मेट अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक माइंडेड पीपल एंड who were going through the same fears, same anxiety, were making the same mistakes as me, and I learned through that and I had a very good experience here. यहाँ विद्या जीवन में the study facility is very nice and everything, whether it is your food and everything a student requires is taken care of. We are here provided with computers where we used to give our GTs and towards the end we were desensitized. We didn't have any fear of giving GTs or facing the computer because like towards the end when we gave our main exam it was like giving an exam of Vidya Jeevan. It didn't feel like giving INICET, and we used to have examination and discussion every week which was followed by Zainab Vora ma'am's class, and that used to be a different experience and ma'am used to teach us so much, all the new topics and most importantly how to approach a question, because हम क्या करते हैं कि हम पढ़ तो लेते हैं बट जब वो क्वेश्चन हमारे सामने आता है उसको हमें अप्रोच कैसे करना है तो वो चीज़ हम लैक करते हैं। उसके लिए मैम ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से गाइड किया एंड एकेडमिक्स के लिए मैम बहुत अच्छा गाइड करती थी। मोटिवेशन के लिए Dr. Apurv Mehra sir, he used to come every week and he used to motivate us all, and Dr. Ravi sir, he used to keep guiding us and keep motivating us, and he was there if we had any problem. He was there for all the Vidya Jeevan students, and my journey here has been truly amazing, and I would really recommend all my juniors to come to Vidya Jeevan and have this experience where you will feel that you will start to enjoy this preparation process. This never felt like a burden to me since I came here. So if I had to give one advice to all my juniors is that don't let NEET or INICET get into your head. It's not the end point, and just stay calm. Do whatever you were doing till now. You have been doing good. Trust yourself and stay away from all the distractions. It's just 15 days for NEET now, so just give it your all. Read 10 to 12 hours every day, maintain that consistency, and I know you will do very well. Thank you so much.